Hello and welcome to Implementing Your Technology. According to the National Center for Educational Statistics, depicts a well-planned process of established steps to follow before a technology is implemented. An implementation plan will be for a civil engineering company. The technology will be used to create a design plan delivered by a team integrated by the whole company. The following slides will describe each step that is needed in order to deliver this process in the corporate area. The National Center for Educational Statistics for Part 4 for Implementing Your Technology. This is the list that integrates Part 4. Implementing a solution. A new technology was purchased after a needs assessment was done. Therefore, implementing a solution is a process needed to innovate the strategies used in a daily basis. A schedule for a civil engineering design project. The approximately time it takes for a civil engineering design project is 5 months. Pre-developed trainings will be implemented if needed. The products that are needed are 10 computer stations, 2 printers, 1 plotter. The software will be AutoCAD Civil 3D, and for this they will need 10 licenses, Office software, some backup storage, and project management software. Assembling an implementation team. For this project, the team will be integrated by an engineer, a surveyor, a surveying crew, and a drafting engineering team. The implementation project manager is in charge of directing and guiding the drafting team so they can implement the design based on the research they will be doing, integrating the 3-dimensional points, which include boundaries, restrictions, and calculations. The reviewing process will be done by the senior drafter. Also, when assembling an implementation team, appointing a steering committee is important, which will establish the internal meetings will be daily and weekly. With the client, they will be monthly. And also the team to check the work done by the drafting department will be the project manager and the senior drafting technician. Developing a project implementation plan. One of the key items for this section are the deadlines and the need the project is required. For this project, Podio project management software will be integrated. The needs will be to complete the project within 5 months. A list of where, when, whom, and the progress should also be integrated in this area by utilizing the Podio management software. This software can also be used to establish a schedule. When the Podio site is created, the calendar schedule will be created, depicting the project advancement, the meetings, the process, and the pay items. Another section of implementing your technology is verifying that the system works. The quality control is one of the crucial key items needed for this project. The drafting team leader will verify that the system works by doing a trial email, a post, also engaging activity in the project management website, and additional software such as Office for Play applications. The testing includes 3-step process. Each item must be tested individually. Systems should be tested to make sure everything will work. Live testing the users and processes. Testing the hardware and the software. The effectiveness of testing this performance is to have an effective communication between the systems that were proposed and the old systems as well. Converting from old information systems. Knowing the process of conversion is important. Each user shall create their own account. Having a backup plan is important to avoid problems in a conversion. The fallback plan is to have everything in the backup storage system. Verify the antivirus for each station and run a scan before installing anything new. Implementing the changeover of information systems will be ran side by side, the Podio and the Microsoft management software, which is the old system. This is needed to implement this changeover, and at this time it would be good to verify everything is working perfectly for the next step. The final step for implementing your technology is arranging for system handover. Usability and warranty. Before making a handover, the old system will be used until the last project is finished. During this process, the changeover should be completed and the software should be ready to use. Warranty. If pre-existing trainings were integrated, or if you established in the beginning of the proposed plan, if you're going to be doing further assistance once the technology has been set and given to the company that will be utilizing it.